Hi, my name is Brandon.
Hi, my name's Olivia.
Hi, my name is Jennifer Lee.
Most importantly, I think it's the team. The team is very supportive, especially towards us interns. So I think that's definitely one of my favorite things about this internship.
What I don't just like but love about Ascent is the way that we are integrated into the company as interns. Never once have I felt like I wasn't a part of the team, and I think that they put a lot of trust and value into us, allowing us to start many projects and gain many experiences that I feel like not many people get a chance to do.
My current role at Ascent is marketing intern, so I work a lot on the content/creative side of things, including blog posts, social media, or even this video right here.
I send out competitive analysis every 2 weeks to see how our brand is doing in comparison to our competitors in the market. I also helped out with blog creations and video creations as far as content goes, and also participated in a bunch of other projects with the interns here as well.
As a social media marketing intern, my main role is to create content for Ascent's social platforms. That includes Instagram stories, reels, feed posts, ads, you name it. Beyond that, I participate in any projects that could use the perspective of a student.
I'm a marketing intern, specifically more towards the marketing operations side of things, which allows me to take on many projects and roles that allows me to work both on my creative side and admin side.
I would say the skill I've learned the most is how to just collaborate effectively online. Getting hired remotely is definitely an interesting experience, but interning at Ascent has taught me that even if you were all working from different places, you can still work extremely effectively as a team.
Some of the things that I learned during my time in this internship is one, definitely content creation regarding blogs and videos. And secondly, it's just a skill to work together in a group to get something done.
There's so many concrete skills I'm going to take away, including how to use certain marketing platforms such as HubSpot, or learning how to use WordPress a little bit more efficiently. And I think honestly the biggest takeaway for me is going to be just learning how to lead projects and communicate effectively, especially since I started my internship virtually. It was so important to learn how to do that.
I'm a huge people person, and for that I actually love working in teams, so I feel that Ascent has definitely helped me learn and strengthen my skills when it comes to working in cross-functional teams.
One of my proudest accomplishments during my internship time here at Ascent is definitely being able to lead a new product launch with the product team.
I think the accomplishment that I'm most proud of throughout my time at Ascent has really just been being a voice for tech boot camps in our intern team.
Something that I am extremely proud of accomplishing here at Ascent is starting ideas from scratch, from literally bullet points onto this little document, into executing it completely into something amazing.
I'm super proud to have created some of the first content for Ascent's Instagram stories.
A piece of advice that I really want to emphasize for anyone looking for an internship is to just not underestimate yourself and be willing to learn. I definitely did not have every skill in the book when I was looking for marketing internships, and I just really tried to emphasize that, if they gave me a chance, if they gave me the resources to learn, that I would do so and really help their company. And I think that definitely gave me an edge over other candidates.
My advice is to find an internship that really aligns with your interests. Although most internships, there's a lot to be learned, I think it's most beneficial if you're learning the skills that not only you want to learn, but also the ones that you really need to learn for your future career path.